Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's a fun video. I have actually had this collection for a while and then I took a really big break, so I never got around to posting it, but I was actually sent a absolutely beautiful collection from Folly. If you guys are unaware with Folly, I would definitely check out their Instagram. They're like a really beautiful gothy kind of vibe makeup company. They have the most beautiful lipsticks. I love their formula. I am currently doing 3 looks using their shadows, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and that's in a separate video. This is one of the looks from that actual video, so there's no tutorial in this video. That's in the next one, so keep an eye out for that. But I am just going to be showing you all the products and having a little giveaway for you guys. Now, the Folly giveaway item was purchased by me and it was not gifted to me, but this collection that I'm showing you was gifted to me. So thank you so much, Folly for thinking of me. I really feel so special about that. But let's go ahead and go over all these. I do swatch all 12 lipsticks if you guys are wanting to see that. And in my video, I actually do 3 looks with all these shadows. One with the single shadows, one with the palette, and then one with both mixed together if you guys are interested in that. So first let's go over the Syncope palette. Now this is a 9-pan palette and it says that it is $31.99 on their website. So these are the colors. I did do a photo shoot and swatches of these, so if you guys are interested in that, I will have some pictures for you. Now this is a really fun color story. There isn't a deep dark matte shade, but there is a black, and like I guess that's a deep dark matte shade, but like a deep brown or a rich blue. There's like some pastel mattes over here and then a black for the matte shades. Everything else is shimmer. And this one, Amnesia, is like this beautiful white and it keeps popping out of the palette on me. It's like it's a really beautiful inner corner color. I actually use this in the 3rd look in my 3 looks video, but let me show you a few swatches real quick. So here are the swatches for the Syncope palette. This one right here is insane. It's so bright and vivid. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm actually coming in here with a completely different look, you guys. This is actually from a Cliona video I'm filming, so keep an eye out for that if you guys like Cliona and their 66.5 North bundle. That's what this look is from. But moving on, sorry. There was a terrible interference with my mic. I don't know what happened for an entire section. It just kept buzzing and buzzing and buzzing and like getting really loud and really quiet. I had no clue what was going on, so I'm coming in here real quick to refilm these little sections here. So I was actually going to show you guys the artwork of the palette. It's absolutely beautiful. This is the Syncope palette, the front of it. They are like a goth brand, so this really fits their theme. It's very on brand. And I think this is supposed to be mimicking her hair. Either way, it's really beautiful. So that's the palette. The next thing is their single shadows. They have 12 of them. This is called Drop the Shade, and these are $13.99 each. I do swatch these for you guys. I show them to you guys on my arm in what would be like fun color stories. There's like warms, like your oranges, pinks, and then like your purples, and it's a beautiful rainbow of colors, and these pigments are insane. There is one in here that is my absolute favorite shade. It's called Soy Frappuccino, and it's like a dusty pink rose color. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. It actually is perfect for this look, actually. It's like this beautiful peachy dusty rose shade. They have this red. It's called Dangerous. Oh my lord, y'all. This red is intense. Wait till you see it swatched. It is absolutely crazy. So these containers are actually really cute little teardrop containers, and the highlighters are actually the same kind of teardrop shape as well. So here are the swatches of the singles. Like I said, there's color stories. There's like the neutrals, the warmer tones, and then the purples. So they give you a lot of options. Look how beautiful those are. And this is with primer because I prime my eyes, so I like to prime my swatches so I can see the exact colors that they're going to be on my eyes. But aren't these just lovely? These are absolutely beautiful. This was that peachy, dusty rose shade. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And this red, oh, it's just delicious. So moving on to the highlighters, these are $19.99 each, $20 each. And they have 4 shades currently. They don't come in a bundle that I'm aware of, but they all 4 fit together like a 4-leaf clover, which I can't show you because I need like 10 hands for that. So the colors are Fully Booked, Reality, Sweet 16, and Snow Queen. And I do put all 4 of these on in my 3 looks video so you guys can see them all in action. And this one is kind of like a blue iridescent shade. Sweet 16 I used as a blush topper because it is very pink and it shifts to kind of like a purple. And they have a ton of product. Like look at that, y'all. So much product in these. You get so much. And these are made in Italy, by the way, which is really cool because that just makes them so much more fancy. And then the last thing is the lipsticks. I do swatch all of these for you guys. By the way, just know that with the lipstick swatches, I start off with the pinks. So the pink is continuously staining my lips the more that I go with the swatches. So by the time I get to like this baby blue shade, the Supreme, you can see the pink through the baby blue. So as long as you're not swatching 12 lipsticks that day and you want to wear a blue, it'll look blue on you. And for the lipsticks, there is 12 shades as well. These are $16.99. And these are a beautiful formula. They do transfer, which is fine with me. They do get on my teeth, but all lipsticks get on my teeth. That's just my face. And they have, I can't hold, I have tiny hands. They have 12 colors total. These are just some of them. I put stickers on the tops of mine so I could see the colors because they're black tubes and I couldn't see anything through them. And it was really annoying trying to open the tops of each one, trying to find the color I want. So they are really beautiful. They do come in a trio, which is $39.99 each. And that actually brings me to my giveaway, which is one of the trios. By the way, I bought this with my own money. Folly did not send me this. This is something that I purchased to be a gift from me to you guys. So this is the colors Full House, Here to Slay, and Sunset Boulevard, which were more of those neutral colors. So as I go, you guys can see those on me and let me know if you like them. I'm going to go ahead and end this September 12th, so you guys have a couple weeks to enter. But to enter this giveaway, just be subscribed to my channel, have your subscriptions on public so I can see that you're subscribed, and just let me know as I go on with the lip swatches your favorite color. And that's it. Super easy to enter. It'll end in a couple weeks. One lucky winner will get 3 of their beautiful lipsticks to try. And oh yes, this giveaway is international, so anyone can enter. Sorry about that. But before we try the lipsticks on, let me go ahead and go over the photo shoots. I'm going to show you guys the eyeshadow palette, the single shadows, and then the highlighters. Now there isn't really a way for me to swatch those because they don't look the same on my wrist as they do on my cheek. By the way, Folly actually found me on my Instagram, so if you guys aren't following me on my Instagram, it is right down below these pictures. I would really love for you guys to follow me over there. I'm having a really big 4K giveaway over on my Instagram soon, if it's already posted. It might already be posted. I'm not sure when this is going up. But that is all I have for this. Let's go ahead and get into these swatches. Don't forget to enter the giveaway if you guys like the swatches, and let me know what your favorite lipstick shade is. Okay, so there's all the lip swatches. Let me know which color was your favorite. There's some really fun colors in this collection. Like, honestly, there's a color for everyone. I mean, I love my Bambi colors, so I am wearing full house with this look. But that is all I have, just a quick introduction to Folly Fire's products. Thank you so much again, Folly Fire, for sending me all these beautiful goodies. I'm so happy that they reached out to me on my Instagram. That just makes me feel so special, and I have such beautiful products to use in a whole bunch of shoots coming up. So that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!